What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we are back at one of my favorite auctions in town, one of the cheapest auctions in town. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're willing to check out some dope rides for a cheap price today, man. We got a few rides though from what I'm looking at, man. We got a nice little truck, got a nice little Benz down there, kind of little fender bender, little tequila kick here and there. But hey, if you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com, man. We got some new merch on the site, man. I appreciate everybody who's been helping and supporting. You definitely got a gift from me. So when you open up that package and you see something extra in there, just look out for your boy. Just shout out your boy, you know, one time in the comments or something, man. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's check it out now, shall we? Oh, wow. That shit crazy. Damn. Alrighty. Looks like we got a 07 Saturn Ion, 181,000 miles on this bad boy. They going up in the office. Somebody done got what they need to pay their car. Alrighty, so I'm gonna have to restart this this little walk around, man. I don't know what was going on there. I guess somebody didn't have enough to pay for their car, unfortunately, that got towed. So, you know, unfortunate, but you know, it may be at the auction here, but I hope they get their car back before then. But yeah, let's get back into it though. Like we was saying, guys, we got a 07 Saturn Ion, 181,000 miles. We take a look on the inside. We got some pretty decent interior, nice cloth, no rips or nothing like that. It's already cleaned out. Have a few stains in the seat, no big deal. You may be able to get this one here for a really cheap price. The mileage on this car is it's not the worst, but it's not the best. I still feel like it's got some more juice in it to go. The body and the interior is pretty good, so whoever had it took pretty good care of it. Can't get the hood open, but you guys know it's a Saturn. All right, more my flavor now, man. We got a 07 Pontiac Grand Prix here, 103,000 miles. Body looks to be pretty good condition. Can use some restoration on the headlights. A nice clean will do this thing really good, because of course it's sitting out here in the dirt, but no big deal. If we take a look at the inside, we got some nice cloth interior, pretty good. I'm actually liking this one. Oh, and it has a window sticker, original window sticker in the back. We'll get there, but everything in this car looks to be in working order. No dents or dings on this, so that's a plus. We can check out the window sticker. Well, not a window sticker, but one of the window stickers, not the original at least. It's a 07 Grand Prix. I don't see nothing about pricing, but that's there. Other than that, I mean, pretty good car. Looks like 103,000 miles. You got a lot to go on this, so I think this will be something to bid on. We'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, we got a 04 Mercedes E320, 144,000 miles on the dash. Salvage title. Got some rims with a flat tire, of course. Hood is actually locked. 144,000 miles. Got the matching wheel on the back so far. We take a look at the inside. You do have some leather interior with some ripped seats. Back is whatever. Of course, this thing's been like super driven, like it's the interior's like dingy or whatever you want to call it, just worn out. But no body damage so far from what I'm seeing, other than the fact that it's a salvage title. So I don't know why it's salvage, so just keep that in mind. It has 144,000 miles, but it's a little bit of an old form for me, man. I don't know what you guys think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 06 Volkswagen Passat here, 110,000 miles on this bad boy. Really nice little car. I remember having this thing, well, my mom having this thing when it first came out, 06. It was a pretty nice car. It had rims on it and everything. This one seems pretty fair. 110,000 miles on it. No body damage from what I'm seeing. All black leather interior. Yeah, this looks identical to how ours were. Well, how ours was back then. Pretty decent little ride. The lights on this is like purple and like red, which is cool. The interior lights, no big deal. Everything seems to check out for the most part. When we had it, we didn't have like too many of like no problems. So pretty good car if it's taken care of at least. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, we got a 03 Ford E350, 184,000 miles. This is a nice looking van, dude. Nice looking van. It's got the huge extended back end. It's like 3 big windows, well 2.5, really 3 big windows. 184,000 miles. If we take a look on the inside, it does look pretty decent. Seats aren't that bad. You do got 1 row, 2 row. I don't think we have a 3rd row back there. That seat is pretty worn over there on the edge. Missing a radio there. Other than that, it's a regular van. Okay, you do got the 3rd row back there. Missing a tail light here. Missing 2 tail lights actually. There goes your 3rd row. So maybe able to get something out of this. Get it for cheap. 184,000 miles. Pretty decent little van. It is what it is. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And we have the 01 Monte Carlo. We don't want the 01 Monte Carlo. It's not an SS, and even if it was an SS that year, we wouldn't want it. We don't want the 99 Ford Windstar with a rebuilt title, but we got a 07 Toyota Camry here with 178,000 miles on this bad boy. This is a nice little car. The last ones that we've been seeing going at an auction, well, went at an auction for like maybe like between 26 and like 32, maybe even 35 on some models. This is actually a pretty decent one. Nice black leather interior. Maybe some rips right there. I'm not about to touch the tile, but you know, interior is really good looking. That tells me it definitely is the top of the line of this model. It has the sunroof as well. 178,000 miles. You guys know that is nothing for a Toyota Camry. So this thing has a lot of juice left in it. No tequila kicks or nothing like that. So the body on this is really great. So I don't know what y'all think, man. Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got a 02 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. It's the single cab though. 180,000 miles on this bad boy. It's got some nice beefy Goodrich tires just like my truck has. Hopefully I get my truck back soon, man. I'm probably just gonna go pick it up, but I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure it out, dog. I really am. People acting like they don't want to work right now, so it is what it is. What can I do? But the body on this thing is pretty good. Interior is really flawless if you ask me. Really nice transmission. Really nice interior on that. I like that. Nothing that stands out in there. The body is in really good condition. No dings, and it's like a truck, guys. Usually the trucks like these are like, oh, super wood, but they got benches. They got benches in the back, so if we're at like a ballpark or, you know, the Raider Stadium is like literally right here. So when the stadium opens, we can like do the little backyard thing over here. The little cookouts, you know, on the West Coast, we just got like real teams over here. Well, LA really, so I ain't really experienced like one of them little cookouts, them little parties, pregame parties or whatever you call it, man. But what y'all think about the truck though? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 06 Caddy with a bad alternator. We don't want the 2000 Mitsubishi Montero. This was the Benz I was saying that was like wham bamboozled in the front. It has some nice rims on the back that stick out, but it does have some tequila kickage action up here. It's an 07 Mercedes C230 with 157,000 miles. If we get a closer look, we're gonna need a headlight, we're gonna need a fender. We may need a bumper, but then we may be able to salvage this one if they can save it right in here. But more than likely, we're gonna need a new bumper, new light. You may need the light support or whatever. This may be bent, but it doesn't look to be that bad, honestly. It really doesn't. You may be able to get this car for really, really cheap. 157,000 miles. And take a quick look at it. The interior's pretty whooped. It's not really worth it to fix it, to me, to be honest. But seats are ripped, like I said, pretty low to the ground. It's a whatever little Benz or whatever you want to call it. It's lifting up right there, kind of by the shifter. So whoever had this car was pretty much dogging it. So I don't really want no parts of it. I don't really want no parts of it, me personally, but it would be a cool little rebuild, if you will. This window's down, so that may not work. May not work. What y'all think, though? Let me know. Oh, damn. This side is jacked up, too, so a little bit too much work for not enough profit. What do you guys think, though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, man. We got an 01 Lexus RX 300, 221,000 miles. From first glance, it does look pretty cool. The headlights, of course, could use some restoration. These things are like freaking fogged up, if you will. But body and everything looks to be in pretty fair shape. 221,000 miles on a Lexus. You guys know that's not bad at all. It has some really nice black interior, which is pretty cool. All the seats are in there, no rips or nothing, so that's a plus. I wouldn't mind bidding on this thing. Pretty nice little Lexus, if you ask me. You got the little mirror, but little mirror tint on it. Other than that, no big deal. I always wanted a little Lexus SUV like this, so this may be my chance. I know the mileage is a little bit high, but I'm not even worried about that. If it runs good and everything, then I'm gonna bid on it. So we'll see what happens. I really like these little SUV trucks, though, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And we don't want the 03 Chrysler PT Cruiser with 181,000 miles. I'm actually good on the PT. We got a 95 Oldsmobile 88, 79,000 miles on this thing. It's 95. Let's just check it out. I'm not interested in it, but I just want to check it out. Like, I love seeing old cars and just seeing how far we came, man. This one is actually really clean. Look at this little Oldsmobile. This thing cleaner than everything up here, dog. Seats, everything really clean. Real clean little car. I can dig it. I actually wouldn't mind grabbing it. I mean, it's a real clean little car. The mileage is really low, so you guys know whoever had it really didn't drive it at all, and whoever had it probably was like up and got it a long time ago. Used to go to the casinos and stuff. Now they just got like super old and just parked the car and just, you know, whatever happens. But I don't know, seems like a pretty cool ride though. I don't want the 99 Pathfinder. The only benefit about that is that the title is in hand, so we can literally sell this thing the same day we get it. And it is a stick shift 4x4, so that's a plus too. A lot of people like that. Interior is really good. Back seats are in really good condition. Everything seems to be fair over there. Like I said, stick shift, so you can get your off-roading on in this thing right here. I know in like Dubai and stuff, these things sell for pretty good money. Should sell for a pretty decent price here today too. We'll see what happens, man. What y'all think about the Nissan Pathfinder, man? Let me know in the comments below. 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280E SE, 32,000 miles on this thing. You guys have seen this a few times and nobody's picked it up yet. I'll just go over it one more time with you guys before it probably sells at this auction. Interior is like super whooped. You see the seats and everything is just super whooped. But all in all, everything is here and it runs and it drives. Real classic car here, man. Really detailed up nicely. I mean, can't get it no much cleaner than this. But need a full interior restoration. Other than that, I mean, the outside and everything else is on it is looking really good. I wouldn't mind driving this thing. I wouldn't mind driving it. Have 4G make some custom little wheels that look just like the originals. I don't know, that would be dope though. You don't want the Mazda G26 or 626 rather, with a rebuilt title. This one's got a bad alternator. a 98 Honda Civic, 122,000 miles, manual transmission, bad alternator. The mileage is pretty good on this thing. The alternator should be cheap and easy to fix. It is a stick shift. Interior does look pretty good. This may be a pretty decent buy. The roof, of course, is gone, but other than that, I mean, pretty decent looking Honda. You can actually toss it in the paint, get a quick little one-a-day paint, get that thing shined up. 122,000 miles. You need a little door handle here. Get this thing refreshened up, get some new headlights on that thing, and put a new emblem. And I think this thing will go for maybe $3,500. What y'all think though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I think I'm kind of good on the Sonata, the 03 Sonata. 227,000 miles with the woo wham over here. Actually, this side is going to be the side that's showing to the auction. So this car may go a lot cheaper than what it normally would go for. So we're just going to check out the inside and just check it out really quick. So when it comes through, we'll show no interest, and then we'll just bid on it at the last minute for $325. But I mean, everything is here. 4-door. Interior is pretty solid, pretty clean. Radios there, everything is here. Nothing that stands out but the mileage, and the mileage on these shouldn't be too much of a problem. But like I said, you do got some woo whams over here, man. So I don't know if it's worth it. If you buy it, you probably just gonna have to sell it just like it is and get your money back. But you gotta buy it at a low price though. We got a 2000 Ford F-150, man. Title on hand, run and drive. They don't know how many miles it's got, but it's got the pickup. It looks like they tried to repaint this hood. It's definitely got no gloss on that thing. They forgot to wet it up. But take a quick look at the inside. I mean, it's decent. It's decent. I've seen worse, but it's not that bad. You gotta have your boy Juan come through, clean it all up. Body and everything is pretty fair. You don't know the mileage on it, so that's unfortunate. But I mean, other than that, seems pretty decent. You got a little tequila kick over here. No big deal though. What y'all think, man? All right, we don't want the 02 Mitsubishi Lancer. We don't want the 99 Ford Contour. We don't want the Chevy Impala. We don't want the Pontiac Sunfire. We definitely don't want this burnt thing, man. That thing is super burnt up. I'm actually good on it. We got a little 300C, no motor, no transmission. All these cars over here don't run. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. What was your favorite ride here today at the auction? What would you bid on and what would you bid up to, man? Let me know right now in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out everythingisregular.com and grab yourself some merch. Go help and support your boy. I appreciate that. Hopefully we'll have a truck back, man. You guys seen the bike videos. I appreciate you guys tuning in, all my new subscribers. Thanks a lot, man. But I'm gonna have to get back and get to really checking out these cars, because maybe I might see something on the way out. But if you guys ready, tune in tomorrow, live video, 6:30 p.m. Let's get it.